Yeah, walking on the streets of Centro East Ballesteros, Cagayan. This is a... Hey, this is very strange at the early morning of the first day of October to find an astray animal, and that's a cow, right on your screen, devouring on the plants along the streets of Centro East Ballesteros, Cagayan, knowing for a fact that there is a barangay resolution not allowing these astray animals to be destroying the plants of the people and residents of Centro East Ballesteros, Cagayan. So this is a wake-up call to all the authorities to please check on this. This is in violation, of course, of the existing resolution, barangay resolution, preventing or avoiding astray animals to roam along the streets of Centro East Ballesteros, Cagayan. So, hoy, gising!